Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're signed in and at Drive. Now start removing images. First, switch to the folder holding the photos and choose List or Grid View so thumbnails are clear. Click once to select the first image, hold Shift and click another to select contiguous items, or Ctrl/CMD click for non-contiguous pics. Once done, press Delete on Windows or move to Trash on the web UI. Make sure you're in the correct folder before deleting to avoid accidental loss. Now refine what you remove. Use search filters like type, image, or file extension to list only pictures, then scan previews for accuracy. Once items are selected, right-click for Remove, Download, or Preview. Download anything you need before removing. If you want everything in a folder, press Ctrl/CMD to select all, then click the trash icon. This moves files to trash. Make sure shared files ownership is considered. Removing someone else's file may behave differently. Finish by opening trash and choosing empty trash to permanently delete, or restore items within 30 days if you changed your mind. Also check Shared with Me and Backups folders for images that didn't appear in my Drive. Those need separate actions. If you can't find a photo, use Drive's search bar with advanced filters like owner, type, image, and date range to locate it. If deletion fails, ensure you have permission and network connectivity. Then retry. Sometimes a sync delay is the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.